Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to pay with Klarna on eBay. First, open the Klarna app on your phone and log in. After that, search for eBay within the app. This will let you start shopping using Klarna. Next, you will create a one-time card. Enter the total amount of your purchase, including any tax and shipping fees. Klarna will generate a virtual card number, a CVC, and an expiry date. This works like a normal Visa or MasterCard. Go to eBay and at checkout, choose to pay with a new card. Enter the virtual card details from the Klarna app. The second option is direct checkout. Shop on eBay and add items to your cart. At checkout, select Klarna as your payment method. You will then see different payment plans. These include options like Pay in 4, which splits your purchase into 4 interest-free payments, or longer monthly financing plans. Choose the plan that works best for you. Follow the prompts to confirm your information and finish the order. Thanks for watching.